Hello everyone, welcome to Tech Pesta. In this video, I am going to show you how to use the transpose function in Excel document. Sometimes people would like to change their Excel column value vertical to horizontal alignment or horizontal to vertical alignment. If it is a less column or row, they can be easy to change manually. But if they have more than hundreds of rows, that is not easiest process. Microsoft Excel has the function to change the alignment automatically. That is called transpose. Let's learn how you can use the transpose function in Excel document. Open the Excel document. In this Excel document, I would like to transpose this content. So I have to select the all cells, then I have to copy. Then I have to select the other cell and right click on the paste special, then you have to select the transpose and click OK. Now you can check it out, the all content has been transposed here. This is the easy process for if it is you have to change in the same page. Sometimes people use this content to other page and make a reference. In this situation, how they can do this? Have to remove this. So I have to select the all content, then create a new page. Here, if you try to add a paste special, then you have to select the transpose. It perfectly works. See, it has been transposed. But the problem is, if you change the value from here, this will not change in the other page. This means any reference is not available for this page. So we need to make a link for this content. So we have to delete this. Again, go to copy the all cells, then go to next sheet. Then we have to select here and right click. Then click on the paste special. Here you have to select all, then you have to click on the paste link button. See, now all content has been placed same as it is in the previous page, but it's not transposed. But the benefit is it will be relation to the previous page. For example, if you change the value as 300, now this value has been changed as 300. If you again change the 5000, now has been changed to the 5000. So now we would like to transpose this content. You can just copy this and right click and paste special, then click on the transpose. See what will happen, it will be set to 0. Why this happened is the data column and cells value is not referred to here. This is the reason it will be set to 0. So we need to make a reference for this. So we have to click on the Ctrl Z. Actually, you have to transfer all of this reference to transposed cell. So just you have to remove the equal from here and change it to some other special character. So you have to select the all cells. Then you have to click on the Control H. This means this will be open the find and replace function. So you have to find the equal and replace with percentage. Make sure this special character should not used here. So you have to click on the replace all. Now the all cells equal has been changed as percentage. So you have to copy this content. Then you have to select the cells and right click on the paste special. Then you have to select the transpose. Then you have to click OK. The most important is before unselect, you again change the value as percentage into equals. So you have to click on the Control H to open the find and replace. Here you have to select the percentage Then here you have to add the equals. Then you have to click on the replace all. Fine. Now we have transposed the content. Now you can remove this content and you can select the content and move it as you need. This will be perfectly for the reference in the previous sheet. For example, if you change yourself 4000, now you can check it out. The content has been changed as 4000. The reference also set. In this way you can change the vertical and horizontal alignment in your Excel document by using transpose function. Thanks for watching this video. If you would like to more informative videos, subscribe this channel. If you like this video, don't forget to touch the like button.